Hey guys, how's it going? Here with my girlfriend this time. She thought she'd get in on one of these videos because like we seem to be making quite a few of them and going shopping quite a lot because we did that today. We got these Beats Solo 3 Wireless.
They're so cool.
So yeah, we're like really upgrading all our tech and all that sort of thing. So we're gonna unbox these.
Do I need scissors?
Do you?
I don't know.
Another thing to note is we got these from like an electronics store as well and asked for a discount, and they gave us like 25% off, which was like $100 off each. So like, guys, always ask for that stuff. I don't really know what to say right now about these. I'm extremely excited because these are the wireless ones, and I'm just like, I want to know if they have a microphone attached or not.
I think they do. We got the matte black as well.
Yeah, we got matching ones. Like, if you guys have seen any of my other videos recently, we've been getting quite a few awesome matching things.
Look at this case. It's so cool.
I like how it says
That's
it.
handy.
Hell yeah.
You can't see it. It's so matte black.
It's so matte black that it's like hidden.
I feel like I should be really careful with these.
I know, right? They feel quite delicate. I hope they probably won't be, but they feel quite delicate. Whoa! Snap. Snap.
That's so cool.
Wait, we need to like try these out.
I can't hear anything.
So they block out the noise. That's good.
What? No, I'm kidding.
Oh wow, there's like more hidden like underneath here.
That's
And
so cool.
what is it, like a mountain climbing thing?
Yeah,
A veneer caliper? Actually, I've got a veneer caliper. It's not that at all.
I guess it clips onto the case.
And also, we'll put like a link down to like where you can get this product, you know, down in the description or something. So if you guys want to buy some, you can go ahead and do that because we're just trying out the sound now off camera, and oh my god, these sound so bloody good.
Amazing.
So there we have it, guys. There's our product review of our like wireless headphones by Beats by Dre. We just got them and they're awesome. I can't tell you guys enough how awesome these are. They're so worth it. And yeah, if you guys like want to see any more videos like this, or if you want to see like any more videos with just us in them, let us know down in the comments. I mean, we're going to be making it like a Coachella video, and we do work together over at the Academy of Fashion Blogging, which I've talked to you guys about a few times. But yeah, I think that is going to be the end of this video. We're going to make some dinner and chill out and listen to some good music. Till then guys, peace out.